Hey, hi everyone. Hope you are doing well. Today I will solving a Python question that was asked during an interview. So the question are, how can you identify the top 3 customers who have made the highest total transactions from a data frame? For solving these questions, I created a data frame named DF, and I will show you the full data frame. So this is a full data frame, and the column are customer ID and amount. And the question are saying we have to identify the top 3 customer who have made the highest total transactions. So let's write the code. Firstly, I will write a or create a variable total amount per customer equal to, I will use group by df dot group by customer ID amount and sum. So here I use group by for group the data by customer ID and sum calculate the total amount for each customer and what it return in a total amount per customer. I will show you. So it return total amount within each customer. So there this is a customer ID 1 2 3 4 and this is a total transactions within each customer. And we have to find top 3 customer who made the highest total transaction. So we can see 2 3 and 4, which is a made the highest total transactions. So we have to find only 2 3 and 4. So we will use n largest, and for storing this we will use top 3. I will use top 3. I will show you what it are. So here you can see using n largest we return top 3 customers who have made the highest total transactions. So you can see 2 4 3, which made highest total transactions. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment to get more video like this.